I was just pulled in here. I don't know what we're doing. Tasting something.
Hello friends, today we are taste testing weird sandwich combinations found across the internet, found across cookbooks from yesteryear, weird sandwich food combinations.
These are the weird food combinations that people love all over America for some reason, but other people look at it and they scratch their head and they go, what is this? Why would anyone enjoy this? This is disgusting.
That's not promising if we're gonna be eating those today.
Well, I know what this is. Oh, Christopher, it's not cut the way you like.
They're triangle cut. I like square cut. Oh, the bread's a little toasted.
No.
I really want to know what it is before I put it in my
No,
mouth.
just eat it. Just take a big bite.
What it looks like is like dip, like potato chip dip with pineapple.
This is pineapple and mayonnaise, and I am the one that sent this to Strong's because I saw an article and I was disgusted. I was like, how can people eat this?
I got it all over my face because I really committed.
It is a mix of sweet and savory that I cannot get down with. The mayonnaise is too like warm and gooey, and the pineapple is way too sweet.
It almost gets like this cheesecakey taste to it, like 4 seconds in as the mayonnaise takes over the pineapple, and it's quite disturbing.
Honestly, not terrible.
Huh? I was surprised myself.
Feel like maybe if it was grilled pineapple,
Oh, okay.
possibly.
I say this is worth trying. It seems very weird to put pineapple with mayonnaise, but this, even in its most basic form, was, I think, kind of satisfying.
Bread alone is fine. Pineapple alone is fine. Mayonnaise in certain applications is fine. Sharing a common bed together is not good for them.
No. I was really taken aback.
Give Lauren a minute to process and digest, and
No, don't digest. Stomach, I'm sorry.
This looks like ice cream, the sandwich.
Ooh, an ice cream sandwich. Those are very, very tasty. This is not ice cream.
What is that? That is not peanut butter. Pumpkin? Pumpkin and marshmallow?
maybe.
Take a bite and find out.
Or mashed carrots. We'll see. Marshmallows and mashed carrots, possibly. I'll see.
The marshmallow in the bread is delicious. I love marshmallow, so.
I was told I wasn't allowed to eat it like this, but I'm eating it like this.
That sweet potato?
It is sweet potato.
I'm not a fan of sweet potato casserole, which typically, I'm assuming this is kind of what it's based on.
That's what it's based on.
This would be better if it was like fresh sweet potatoes, like that were like roasted and mashed up, maybe like seasoned, like, you know, put some butter and some brown sugar or something. But this is just canned. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. Just because I like sweet potato.
I love sweet potatoes. It's not that bad if you like sweet potato. Like, I don't really get a lot of marshmallow taste. I needed more marshmallow on mine.
If it was built up like a triple decker and then grilled like a panini, then maybe it might be edible.
What's our next sandwich? Was there apple in here?
I've heard of this.
What monstrosity. Is that banana with cheese and...
But just, it does this.
Oh my God.
This is what I'm concerned
Why
with.
is this happening to me? It's like apple pie filling with cheese. It's cheese
it's
and
the
apple
canned
pie.
stuff?
I've known people to put a slice of cheese on their apple pie before. I don't know if you've seen this.
My brother-in-law does that, and I've never tried it because I have no idea why someone would think to put cheese on top of apple pie.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
All
So,
I
you know-
taste is the apple filling. I don't taste the cheese.
I taste a little bit of the cheese. This is really like your layman's version of like that, you know, Granny Smith apple and brie grilled cheese. Like I've had those before and those are really good.
I don't notice the cheese as much as I thought I would.
Yeah.
So I guess it's not bad, but if that's the case, why put cheese on there at all?
This countertop's a mess.
Napkin! It's just the idea of it. Like,
I've been delightfully surprised by 2 of these.
oh, well, we have 2 more to go.
We've had 3 already?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Right.
I feel like I would eat the apple and cheese sandwich if it was a little more refined. Because, you know, I'm the bougie one.
Yes, you are.
And the sweet potato one was delightful. It just
Yeah, I
needed
really
more
did like that
marshmallow.
one. If it had been like real soup toe.
Is this jelly?
It's like a deli sandwich.
Did you say jelly sandwich?
Deli jelly sandwich.
Oh my goodness, I do this all the time.
Yeah, this doesn't seem that odd. You
Well,
can
it
get, like,
depends on
jelly
what
and-
kind of jelly this is.
Jelly and turkey sandwiches at stores all the time.
Mmm,
Good?
so good.
Christopher says,
Is there something else on here though? There's something I don't like on here.
Not a fan of this one right off the bat.
Right?
That is a very strange combination. See, I was feeling confident, so I took a bigger bite this time. I was like, oh yeah, these, not bad. These sandwiches we got going on here. No, wrong.
I don't like it.
Is there mayonnaise on it?
It almost has a tuna taste to it.
Yeah, it does, kind of. Maybe
Why
it's
does
the
that have a
turkey.
tuna taste?
Maybe it's the style of turkey. Is this boar's head? Because I only eat boar's head.
What happened to our trash can? We used to have a trash can.
You're spot on.
Like a spit bucket somewhere around here.
Blah. But I've had, you know, like the
But
cranberry.
like jam and turkey is fine.
Yeah, the cranberry sauce and turkey sandwich. I've had those before. They're so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what you do with like Thanksgiving leftovers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what people do. People like meat with fruit. I don't know. It's a thing people do.
Who does that?
Like
Nobody
cranberry
does
sauce.
that.
Cranberry sauce at Thanksgiving with turkey, you know?
No, you don't put it on your turkey. You put it on like the muffins or bread.
The only way I can describe it is it tasted foul. It tasted like it had gone bad.
Strauss, let's work on our execution
Come
here.
on. We need fresh ingredients in this
Fresh
studio.
ingredients, quality, premium ingredients.
Banana, peanut butter, right?
Oh, I don't think that's a
Oh,
banana,
that's
my
not
friend.
banana.
Like I spotted something in here that I'm a big fan of. I hope you didn't ruin it for me.
I don't
Pickle! No! It's pickle and peanut butter!
You said banana and peanut butter, and I got excited, and then I looked in there, and I was like, "Oh, you are wrong."
Cold pickles and it looks like peanut butter. This has to be a winning combination.
This is the infamous peanut butter and pickle combo. I feel like it's a thing that pregnant women crave this.
I love peanut butter. And I love pickles, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna love them together.
Oh, that. That is an adventure.
Oh god.
That is. I just took a little. Take a big bite. You're gonna love it.
Not bad. I could eat this sandwich.
This is the only one I would eat all of this. Out of all the sandwiches. Yeah, this is the best one, I think. And it's the one where the pickle is adding something to the peanut butter.
That's so bizarre.
For me,
God, no.
it's the crunch that is unpleasant. Even hearing you chew it, I was like, ugh.
Yeah, man, PB&P. This is where it's at.
You're really going to town over there.
No, this is a good sandwich. I'm gonna finish that.
It's just crust left now at this point.
The initial flavor I didn't hate, but if I tried to eat that whole sandwich, I would get nauseous.
Yeah, I mean, it's just not a combination you should do.
Did we try all 5?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was
No,
all
we
5.
like 2 out of 5.
2 out of 5. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Did this teach you anything? Did you learn anything?
You know, I learned that I don't think my taste buds have changed since I was a kid.
I don't think Strauss will be opening a restaurant anytime soon. I mean, typically what he just does is go into the pantry that his family eats from, and he's like, what don't my kids want to eat? That's what I'll grab for the team.
I'm surprised I like so many of them. I thought there might be like 1 or 2 kind of standout ones. Like, oh, that's okay, that's not bad. But I thoroughly kind of enjoyed most of them. I guess there must be something to this whole regional food pairings, these food combinations. Not so weird after all, maybe. Kind of tasty. Yeah, who would have thought? So many weird food combinations are actually not that bad, at least from my perspective. If you want to see other videos, they're right over here. You can also subscribe by clicking the button right over here. And I'm not gonna eat this sandwich because this one was disgusting.